Hello and welcome to the daily number workout. Today is the number 20 whole days. We've been working on this wonderful project. So the word form for 20, of course, is TWENTY. And because 20 ends in a 0, it is an even number. So we can write that down right away. Let's go for our factors of 20. 1 times 20. 2 goes in because it's even. 2 times 10. 3 does not go in. 4 goes in. 4 times 5. And because there's no other numbers in between 4 and 5, we know we're done. So our factor pairs are 1 times 20, 2 times 10, and 4 times 5. We just laid them out in a different way. So I just want you to see that way. So here we go. Addition. Let's get our addition rolling here. So I'm going to move the paper up so you can see all of the addition that I put on here. Got to take these off so we don't lose them off my table. So here we go. 20 plus 1 equals 21. 20 plus 2 equals 22. This was a really easy one. 20 plus 3 equals 23. 20 plus 4 equals 24. 20 plus 5 equals 25. 20 plus 6 equals 26. You guys must have blew through this one. It's so easy. 20 plus 7 equals 27. 20 plus 8 equals 28. 20 plus 9 equals 29. And 20 plus 10 equals 30. Boom. Let's go on to our subtraction, making this quick and easy. And again, remember, we can use our addition because subtraction is addition backwards. So, oops, I'm sorry. This should be 30. So fix yours up. Mine's a little messy. 30 minus 20 equals 10. 29 minus 20 equals 9. 28 minus 20 equals 8. 27 minus 20 equals 7. 26 minus 20 equals 6. 25 minus 20 equals 5. 24 minus 20 equals 4. 23 minus 20 equals 3. 22 minus 20 equals 2. And 21 minus 20 equals 1. Woo, moving right along here. And we can always check our answers here with our addition. Just look for 21, 21, and we can see it's 20 and 1. So our subtraction family and addition family match up. All right, here we go. This is even easier. 20 times 1 equals 20. 20 times 2 equals, well, 2 times 2 is 4 with the 0 equals 40. 20 times 3, well, 3 times 2 is 6 with a 0. 20 times 4, 4 times 2 is 8 with a 0, 80. 20 times 5 equals, 5 times 2 is 10 with a 0. 20 times 6, 6 times 2 is 12 with a 0. Just giving you some fun ideas on how to think about this. 7 times 2 is 14 with a 0. 20 times 8 is 16 with a 0. 20 times 9 equals 18 with a 0. And then, of course, 20 times 10 is 20 with another 0. So these are the multiples of 20. And then we're counting by twos basically on the front end. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And that's the way it would go. Let's go ahead and do our division over here. So let me put that up here. Division, good old division. 20 goes into 100. So 20 does not go into 1, 20 does not go into 10, but 20 will go into 100. How many times? Well, according to here, 5 whole times. 5 times 20 is 100. According to our multiplication, we take 100 away from 100, we get 0. So 20 goes into 100 5 times. And that's our answer there. All right, moving right on to our measurement. Move my paper up. We've got inches, feet, and yards. So you're ready to rock here. 20 inches equals 20 over 12. Takes 12 inches to make a foot. So we're going to break that apart. 12 over 12 plus, if we take 12 away from 20, we get 8. So basically 12 inches is 1 whole foot. That's that 1 whole and 8/12. 1 8/12 of a foot. And so then we come over here and we got 20 out of 36 yard. All right, let's go on to our metric form. Centimeters, decimeters, and meters. So if I have 20 centimeters, that means I have 20 out of 10. Woo! So that means I have 10 plus 10. So guess what? That is 2 whole decimeters. And that would be 20 out of 100, 20 hundredths of a meter. So that's our linear measuring length. So let's move on to liquid measurement. So our first category in the standard form is ounces, cups, pints, quarts, and gallons. I got those spread out here. Here we go. If I have 20 ounces, that is 20 out of 8 to make cups, because it takes 8 of them to make a cup. So let's break that apart. 8 plus 8 more is 16. And 4 more would make your 20. So we have 2 whole cups and 4 eighths. So this would be 2 whole and 4 eighths cups. And let's go over here, 20 out of 16. So let's do 16 over 16 plus 4 over 16. So 16 plus 4 is 20. So we have 1 whole pint and 4/16. So this would equal 1 whole and 4/16 pint. Let's do 20 over 32 for our quarts, because it takes 32 ounces to make a quart. So we don't quite have a whole quart yet. And we have 20 out of 128 ounces to make a gallon. All right, let's finish this off with milliliters and liters. So if I have 20 milliliters, which would be an ml, that would mean I have 20 over 1,000. So 20 thousandths of a liter. And there we have it. We're done with the number 20. I hope you have a wonderful day. I will see you the next time for the number 21. Bye-bye.